Many fiber providers are scaling quickly, but they're struggling with operational load. Where are you seeing the biggest pain points in the deployment lifecycle? And what does getting it right look like?
With all these moving parts, there's a lot of opportunity or risk when it comes to manual intervention. Operators have got to be looking at this from a perspective of what we refer to as the order to install to cache cycle of that, and how do you maximize accuracy, minimize time to take those types of activities or those actions, and ensure that it's really working end to end there. So think about it from all of the elements that go into that, from a customer experience and ordering point of view, all the way through to, I know I have an installation that has to happen. Do I have the right resources, and am I automating that in terms of the scheduling perspective, and making sure that that is scheduled properly and then installed as accurately as possible as well.
How are leading providers using automation and AI agent tools to improve installation performance, reduce operating expense, and boost satisfaction?
Your installing and your field technician activities really are almost that frontline initial experience that your customers are having with your brand. So we do look from an AI perspective. How do we look at jobs that have been completed, inbound jobs that are being scheduled, and making sure that we're incorporating that into the scheduling aspects, and then also the dispatching and routing aspects. So if I know that I'm potentially outbound in terms of jobs that are happening in a day, that I know I can optimize how I'm getting technicians or resources on those jobs. The other is, how do I stay in constant communication and provide proactive communication to the customer themselves? So if I'm looking at providing updates to the subscriber, saying, hey, we have a technician that may be inbound, making sure their text messages, emails, notifications are all happening in time based on when the install is going to happen.
Fiber overbuilders are under pressure to take market share and grow fast at minimal cost. How can technology help operators to scale efficiently while maintaining quality and avoiding service failures?
Looking at things like, can I look at in-market competitive offers at the time that I may be interacting with a potential new customer, and then providing a branded recommendation or offering that really drives best use of the service.
How can operators quickly absorb acquired subscribers and network footprints and turn those acquisitions into revenue growth drivers while avoiding long integration cycles?
The consolidation is going to happen, and it's either a case you're being acquired or you may have an acquisition strategy. But the ability to scale really comes from optimizing and streamlining all of those systems together. So if you do have 2 or 3 different stacks, if you will, based on acquisitions, that becomes a challenge. So being able to not only get on to a system that may allow you to grow, but also have the migration capabilities and automation capabilities to do the standardization, to bring those subscribers onto a single system.
And where are operators seeing the biggest wins from simplifying the full order to cash cycle and modernizing their core systems?
Order fallout is not an issue because we know accuracy wise the orders that we're taking and the ability to bill for those down to the penny on what's being communicated is always accurate. And then managing the life cycle after the customer has been effectively onboarded to your services, your ability to grow with that customer over time is key to this as well. So simplifying the order to cash cycle, making sure that you have the ability to grow with the services over time. And when you think about simplifying the order to cash cycles, modernizing those systems, and being in a place that partner-wise you can grow over time, those are the things that are really going to make sure you're maximizing the investment that you're making from it.